and welcome. My name is Ijaz, and I'm a professional language instructor with over 20 years of teaching experience. I specialize in teaching English, German, and Chinese to students of all levels, from absolute beginners to advanced learners. Teaching is my true passion, and my main goal is to make language learning simple, structured, and practical for you. In my classes, we won't just focus on textbook rules. Instead, we will work step by step on building your confidence, mastering phonetics and correct pronunciation, and strengthening your grammar through interactive real life world conversations. Every student is unique, so I always custom tailor my lessons to match your specific goals, instead interest, and learning pace. Outside of teaching, I'm deeply enthusiastic about technology, digital marketing, and creating educational videos. I also love spending quality time with my family. Whether you want to master English for career growth, learn German for your studies, or you explore Chinese for business, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching my videos and see you in class. Best of luck.